DIY Buick Key Programming 2002 Plus models explained. Can you program your Buick key yourself? Yes, for 2002 and newer models, it's often possible. Buick keys use a transponder chip that communicates with your car's computer. Programming involves syncing this chip. For models 2002-2016, you'll likely need an OBD2 scanner and a blank transponder key. Newer models, post-2015, have more complex security, so DIY might be harder but not impossible with the correct tools. Success rates are high, around 80 to 90% if you have the right equipment, but compatibility is key. Always verify your model year's programming protocol before you begin. You can find tutorials on platforms like YouTube and Reddit. To get started with DIY Buick key programming, you'll need a few essential tools. An OBD2 scanner costs between $50 and $200 and connects to your car's diagnostic port. You'll also need a blank transponder key for $10 to $30. For more advanced programming, a programmer kit from $100 to $500 can be useful. For reliable results, use scanners from trusted brands like Autel, Innova, Foxwell, or Launch. These tools are designed for GM vehicles and include the necessary software for key programming. The programming process begins by cycling your car's ignition to the on position without starting the engine. This prepares the vehicle's systems for pairing. Next, connect your OBD2 scanner to the port under the dashboard and use it to access the programming mode in the vehicle's body control module. Finally, follow the scanner's prompts to program your blank transponder key. Test it by starting the vehicle to confirm successful pairing. Be careful during the process. Incorrect pairing can activate the vehicle's anti-theft system. Models after 2017 often need specialized dealer tools. For security, avoid inexpensive key clones that could be vulnerable to theft. A growing trend is using smartphone apps paired with Bluetooth OBD2 dongles for more convenient programming.